Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of OOP1 subject. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss about multiple inheritance. So in this figure you can see here one class grandparent, another class father, so that will be a simple inheritance. If grandparent class is extended by both father and mother, then that will be hierarchical inheritance. If grandparent is extended by father and father class is extended by child, then that will be known as multi-level inheritance. And if father class and mother class both is extended by child class, then that will be known as multiple inheritance. Okay? So Java does not support multiple inheritance, means both class cannot be extended by a single class. That is the limitation of Java. So what to do for this type of scenario? Java does not support multiple inheritance, but that is directly not supported multiple inheritance, means with using classes we cannot implement our multiple inheritance, but Java can support multiple inheritance using interface. So if we have a class, so that class can implement multiple interfaces. A interface can implement multiple interfaces. Here you can see that class is implements interface, but a single interface is extends the another interface. If we are implementing our interface into class, then we will use implements word, and if we have both the interfaces, then in it we will use the word extends. Okay, if we have a single class, it can extend another class and it can also implement a interface. So here you can say the multiple inheritance can be supported, but we will have to use interface into it. Okay, now if we talk about this scenario, this grandparent is extended by father and mother, and that both also extended by the child. So here what to do for this scenario? This is the most important question for the GTU exam purpose. Now we will use this scenario. If we declare grandparent as an interface, father as an interface, mother as an interface, and we take class child as a class, so that can be implemented. If we take grandparent as an interface, father as a class, mother as an interface, so again we can say child as a class, and that scenario also can be implemented. Okay, so how to do with the code, with the programming language, that will be understand by this written code. We can say grandparent as an interface, father as an interface, and that father will extend the grandparent. We have used extend keyword because grandparent is also interface and father is also interface. Here interface mother extends grandparent. Again we have extended grandparent into the mother interface. And in last we will have our class child. That child will implements father as well as mother. Okay, so this is the first scenario. In our second scenario, interface grandparent, after it class father will implement that interface, mother interface will extend that grandparent interface, and in last our class child will extend the class and also implement the interface. Okay, so this is the second scenario. By this method we can implement the multiple inheritance in Java. Okay, so this is it for today's video lecture. If you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you friends.